My brother's silly, my brother's cool. Together, he splashes water in the pool. He hides my toys and runs away, then laughs and shouts, "Let's play, let's play!" Brother and sister laugh all day, fighting, hugging, that's our way. We jump, we dance, we sing out loud. We're the silliest kids around. My sister's funny, my sister's sweet. Together, but she takes my candy, what a cheat. She says, "I'm sorry," gives a smile, then hugs me tight and stays a while. Brother and sister side by side, we're a team, a funny ride. We mess things up, then make it right. We laugh and giggle every night. When I'm sad, he makes me grin with a dance or silly spin. When I'm mad, she sings a song, and soon we're laughing all day long. Brother and sister, best of friends, we'll be together till the end. Giggles, jokes, and happy cheer, bros and sis forever dear. B is for brother, S is for sister, together we're life's happy twister.